This video will demonstrate how to perform Gua Sha facial technique. Gua Sha is a Chinese medical technique that can improve the health of your skin. Gua Sha helps to move and drain lymphatic fluids, reduce puffiness in the face and under eyes, increase blood circulation, reduce jaw tension, and can also reduce sinus pressure. The two things you'll need to get started are a Gua Sha tool and ReDermaVive's Golden Goddess Gua Sha oil. This Gua Sha oil not only provides a long-lasting slip for your Gua Sha tool to glide over the skin, but it also delivers a multitude of beneficial properties to nourish your skin at the same time. You can read more about it on our website, peoplesherbs.com. Real quick before we begin, here's a few things to note about the Gua Sha technique. Number 1, holding the tool. The correct angle to hold the Gua Sha tool is flat against your skin. Avoid using the sharp pointy edge against your skin. Number 2, pressure. We want to use light to medium pressure and even lighter pressure around the eyes. Number 3, speed. Go at a slow pace. Use the Gua Sha experience as a time to be mindful and relax the nervous system. Okay, let's get started. We'll walk through the Gua Sha steps on one side of the face together, and then you can do the second side on your own. Starting with a clean face and hands, pump 2 pumps of the Golden Goddess Gua Sha oil into the palm of your hand and warm it by rubbing the palms of your hands together. This will help the oil apply more evenly. Then gently press the oil into your face and neck. This will create a smooth surface for your Gua Sha stone to glide over the skin. ReDermaVive's Golden Goddess Gua Sha oil is slow to absorb, so it provides a long-lasting slip for your Gua Sha tool. Starting with the jaw, take a finger and place it on the center of your chin and hold firmly here for support. Use the notched edge of your Gua Sha tool and place either side of the notch on either side of your jaw. Bring your tool to a flat angle against your skin. Using light to medium pressure, slowly follow the angle of your jaw all the way back until you meet your ear. Pause here and give it a little wiggle. Repeat this 5 times or more if you desire. Now we'll continue on to the cheek, so take a finger and place it next to your nose. Use the long edge of the Gua Sha tool and touch it to your finger, making sure the tool is flat. With light to medium pressure, begin to pull the tool outwards towards your ear with a slight angle upward. When you contact your ear, pause here and give it a little wiggle. Repeat this 5 times or more if you desire. On a couple of these strokes, you can also place your tool so that it strokes under your cheekbone. This will address some of those muscles or tissue adhesions and knots that are often under the cheekbone. Now we'll move on to under the eye. For under the eye, remember to use very light pressure, lighter than any other area that you've done. Take a finger and place it under the inner corner of your eye and just lightly hold here. Use one of the notches on your tool and touch it to your finger under your eyes, making sure that your tool is flat. This will be a feather-light stroke, so really just touch under your eye and move the tool outwards towards the outer corner of your eye. When you pass the outer corner of your eye, angle the tool upward onto your temple. And when you reach the hairline, pause and give it a little wiggle. Repeat this 5 times or more if you desire. Let's now move on to the brow and address the upper side of our eye. Here you're going to use the notched edge of the Gua Sha tool. Take a finger and place it in between your brow. Once again, touch the notched edge of the tool to your finger and make sure that your tool is flat against the skin. With light to medium pressure, begin to follow your brow bone with the tool, and when you reach the end of your brow bone, turn the tool upward at an angle and move across your temple. When you reach your hairline, pause and give it a little wiggle. Repeat this 5 times or more if you desire. Moving on to the forehead, take a finger and very lightly place it under your brow bone so that you're basically on your eyeball, which is why you want to use very light pressure. Here you're just supporting the skin, and then use the long edge of your Gua Sha tool to touch your finger and make sure your tool is flat. Lightly begin to roll over your brow bone so the skin pulls upward ever so slightly. Then you're going to move across and up your forehead until you reach your hairline. Pause here and give it a little wiggle. Repeat this 5 times or more if you desire. Now that we've done one side of the forehead, we're going to get the center of the forehead. Take your finger and place it in between your brow and hold it down gently. Using the shorter, flat edge of the tool, touch it to your finger, making sure your tool is flat. With light to medium pressure, begin to pull the Gua Sha tool towards your hairline, making sure that it stays flat around the curve of your forehead. When you reach your hairline, pause and give it a little wiggle. This is a stroke where you pass through your third eye, which is super relaxing. Now that you've done the Gua Sha technique on one side of your face, you can repeat the process on the other side. If you find you need more slip to your skin, feel free to add another pump or two of Golden Goddess Gua Sha oil to your face. After you complete a full Gua Sha session, you may notice that your skin looks smoother, more even, and more lifted. You also may feel less tense and more relaxed. Gua Sha can be done as often as daily, but even 2 or 3 times a week can be beneficial. Don't forget to wash and store your tool properly after each use. Thanks for watching. For more information or to purchase these products and tools, please visit our website at peoplesherbs.com.